Hello, third graders. We thought this would be a fun activity to complete this final week of third grade. You've spent quite a bit of time learning how to use Adobe Spark Video. This is an optional activity, but one we believe third graders would really enjoy doing. You will be creating a short video sharing out some exciting and wonderful activities the upcoming third graders will be excited about doing next year. We believe that the new third grade class will really appreciate and listen to everything you have to share about what you loved most being a Heathcote third grader. I'm going to remind you how to navigate Adobe Spark Video, and then I will share with you what you are going to do and some ideas for you to present. Remember, this video does not have to be very long, just a quick video to let the third graders get a glimpse about what third grade will be all about. So remember, you're going to go to Heathcote Gateway, and you're going to access the third grade page and scroll down to Adobe Spark Video and click on this link. You're going to be navigated or directed towards this page. Remember, do not sign on with Continue with Google. You're going to log in with your school account and you're going to enter your email, school email. First initial, last name 29 at scarsdaleschools.org. When you're there, click on Create a Project, and this choice menu will be provided for you, so choose Video, and then you're going to save it as Welcome to Third Grade. Here are just some fun activities and projects we have done this year. Of course, these are not everything, but you might want to highlight some of these, or you might even have others that I haven't included in here on your video. So remember, we did the Halloween and Valentine's Day store. You learned about maglev trains, and if you're going to choose to do the maglev trains, don't reveal how it works. Remember, you didn't get that knowledge when you guys were doing the unit, and the whole part of it was the experience of figuring out how to engineer a levitating train. So we don't want to tell them exactly what they have to do to solve it. You could mention it though. You can mention about the project. Book trailers and fantasy stories. We did book clubs this past year. Math tutorials, you got Chromebooks. Remember your kindergarten buddies. This is the first year that you got to be the older kids in your buddy partnerships. You did high touch, high tech. You had the school play. You learned cursive handwriting, Spanish. You started off with blogs. We did a lot of technology project work, and you had your first experience with instrumental music. So these are just some of the activities and projects that you can introduce and share on your video. You don't have to include everything. Highlight the ones that were your favorites. And we might not have even mentioned some of your favorite things that you did in third grade on this video, but you can share it out on your own. So when you have finished, these are the things that you need to do. You want to make sure you watch the video through to make sure it is exactly how you liked it. You chose appropriate music that fits your presentation. And remember, on the music, you want to make sure it's not too loud, that it's overpowering and it takes over so that we can't hear your voice. You want to be able to hear yourself clearly. You had someone check your writing for proper spelling, punctuation, and capitalization. And once you've done all of that, you're going to download it, and then you're going to go to the Share folder and upload the movie to the Welcome to Third Grade Videos folder. That is located in your Google Drive and shared with me, and I will show you all about that. But when you're on Adobe Spark Video, here's an example of one that I've provided. I'm going to show you a little bit about what, just as a reminder. On your music here, you can choose any type of music, but here, this can make your music sound be a little lower or be a little higher. So you want to make sure that it's at just the right volume so that it's not overpowering. And so you can make sure you hear it and we can listen back on it. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to record myself and then I'm going to show you how I can change the sound or the level of the music. Welcome to third grade. And then I'm going to just listen to what it sounds like. Welcome to third grade. So the way that it has it here, it sounds perfect. However, if I move it down a little bit, you won't hear the music at all. Welcome to third grade. Or if I increased it a little louder, Welcome to third grade. So you just want to make sure that you have the volume at the correct level. If you didn't like your narration and you were like, oh, I didn't like the sound, you could always click on this box and you can hit remove narration. And then when you've recorded over all of the different slides that you've done, you can hit the play button and you can listen back. And then if you feel like, wow, I am very pleased with how it is, at the very back you'll notice I put by Mrs. Luciano, but you would write something along the lines of maybe by Delia. You won't have your last name on it. So once you're done, you're going to download it. Remember, don't click out of the box. Let it download, and then it will show up here. Now, I'm going to show you where your shared with me, where the folder shared with me is on your drive. So on your drive, it might look like this. And then in the shared with me folder, I have shared with you the Welcome to Third Grade folder. So you're going to click on this, and then you're going to hit New, and you're going to go to File Upload. You're going to go to your Downloads folder, and on the Downloads folder, there should be, if you scroll down, it should say Welcome to Third Grade right here. Here's the video. Remember, it's an MP4. So when you click on it, you're going to open it up. We'll take a moment. And there you go. That's all you have to do. Your video will be up in the folder. Remember, it's in your shared with me, and its title is Welcome to Third Grade Videos. And then you are all set to go. So, third graders, we really hope you have a lot of fun with this activity, and that you share with your upcoming third graders some exciting and wonderful things that they're going to experience this coming year. Thank you so much. We look forward to seeing them. Have fun.